So friends, if you have HDFC Bank debit card but you don't remember its PIN, then in this video I'm going to tell you how can you change debit card PIN using HDFC NetBanking. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now see, the very first step you have to do is just simply open any particular browser in whichever device you're using. It might be a laptop, it might be a PC, or if you have a mobile phone, you can just simply open a browser and search for HDFC NetBanking. See, the process is going to be same, so it doesn't matter which device you're using. You just have to search for HDFC NetBanking. You will get multiple links. You can select any particular link which says HDFC NetBanking. So let's go with this one. Once you get this page, you can directly select login option over here, or else you can select login option over here. So once you select login, select net banking once again, and it will take you to login page. Now over here, either you can use customer ID or user ID, and then you have to enter the password in order to complete the login process. Now see, if you don't remember your user ID or if you don't know your customer ID, then I have already made a dedicated video on how to get user ID or a customer ID from HDFC NetBanking. So you can go and check it out that video later. Let me enter the details and let's complete the login. So I have entered the login details. Let's complete the login process. Now this is how the HDFC NetBanking interface looks like. So in order to change debit card PIN, on the homepage itself, you get an option of cards. So you can select cards, and over here you can check out your credit card and debit card details. Now I have two credit card, as you can see over here, and I have one debit card. So you have to select that particular card for which you want to change the PIN. In today's case, we are going to change PIN for debit card. So I'm going to tap on debit card option. It will take me to next page. And on this particular page, if you go down, you can see there are three options. One is urgent support, next is manage limits, and the last option is set or reset PIN. So if you don't remember your PIN, select this particular option, and it will give you a pop-up screen like this, and directly it is asking me to enter new 4-digit PIN. So you can enter the new 4-digit PIN over here. You can re-enter the PIN, and after that you will receive an OTP on your registered mobile number. Also, before submitting this, don't forget to check this box. So enter the details, check this box, and select submit or confirm option. So as you can see, I have entered the new PIN. If I check on this box again, it will show me a pop-up screen. Basically these are the terms and conditions. Overview is this new PIN must be used for all your future transaction done on this debit card. The OTP is valid only till its expiry date. The details are mentioned in the SMS sent to you. And in security, it is for security reasons, please avoid sharing your OTP or PIN with anyone. You have to simply accept the terms and conditions. Once it is done, select confirm option. And now you can see it is again giving me a pop-up screen saying please verify yourself. So either you can use mobile number or else you can use mobile and email address. In this case, I'm going to only select mobile number option. I'm going to select get OTP. Now the OTP which you will receive on your mobile number, you have to enter it over here and then submit it. So I have entered the OTP. Let's tap on submit. And now it is asking me to enter the expiry date and CVV of the debit card. So let's do that. After entering card details, again tap on submit option, and within few seconds you can see debit card PIN has been reset successfully. So this is how simple it is to reset or change debit card PIN through HDFC NetBanking. Now suppose if you're not using HDFC NetBanking, but if you have HDFC Bank application, then there is also a way to reset PIN using app. I've also made a dedicated video on that. You can again go and check it out on my channel. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.